Welcome back. You are tuned into Sadhana on S3. Yoga instructor Rolf Gates once said, "Yoga is not a workout, it is a work in." And this is the point of spiritual practice, to make us teachable, to open up our hearts and focus our awareness so that we can know what we already know and be who we already are. With that being said, Dr. Ansuyah Moodley demonstrates the Nadi Shuddhi or balanced nostril breathing with a focus on yoga's ancient breathing technique, tracking the breath through the nostrils.
Namaste and good morning to all of you. The yoga session today will focus on breathing through the nostrils. We will first focus on the right nostril breathing and then the left nostril breathing, and look at the significance of balanced nostril breathing, which we refer to as Nadi Shuddhi in yoga. Now, when we breathe in, that particular air that enters the lungs is essentially one part which we call the life force or prana. But there is more to that. In fact, there are 5 types of prana, which we refer to as pancha prana, pancha meaning 5. So the air that we breathe in into the lungs is referred to as prana. But the air that circulates, or the energy through the nadis or energy channels that is in the region of the digestive fire or for digestion, is referred to as samana. So that's a very important part of the life force or the life energy, and that is very instrumental in all of the digestive processes. We have other types of prana. The one that allows for belching or throwing up or hiccups and those types of activities is referred to as udana. Apana is another type of prana which is instrumental for all of the downward motions. For example, the excretion or childbirth and those types of activities. The prana that is circulating throughout and assisting with the blood circulatory system as well as the lymphatic system is referred to as vyana. So we see that we have the 5 types of prana: the samana that we spoke about, the udana, the apana, the vyana, and the prana that we take in through the nostrils. So we're going to focus on right nostril breathing and left nostril breathing now by using what is called the Nasika mudra. So we make use of the right hand, and the 2 fingers closest to the thumb is dropped down very gently so that you have the ring finger and the little finger sticking out. Your left hand can be in the form of chin mudra or very gently the palm facing upward or downward on your knee. So let's get started. Using the Nasika mudra, very gently use the thumb to seal off the right nostril. We're going to now breathe only through the left nostril. So take a deep breath in through the left nostril. You may have the eyes closed for greater awareness. Make sure head, neck, and spine is nice and straight. And continue to breathe in and out through the left nostril only. The left nostril breathing is also very calming because it's influenced by the moon. So sometimes it's referred to as Chandra Anuloma Viloma. So people that have hypertension, or you find that they are very stressed or there's anxiety, it's very good to practice left nostril breathing because it has a very cooling and calming effect. Very gently, now use the Nasika mudra and take the ring finger and the little finger and seal off the left nostril. Now we're going to focus on breathing only through the right nostril. So very gently inhale through the right nostril and exhale. Very good. Breathe in, a mental count of 5. And as you exhale, always make the exhalation longer. So a mental count of 10. Let the ratio be 1:2. Again, inhale through the right nostril and exhale. Continue this practice. Right nostril breathing is very high energy. In fact, it influences the left hemisphere of the brain, which is instrumental for reasoning, logical thinking, and all of these high-ended processes. It is also because of high energy influenced by the sun. So it is sometimes referred to as Surya Anuloma Viloma. This is also a practice that is very beneficial for those people that want to lose weight because it increases the metabolic rate, and because of the influence of creating high energy, it energizes the digestive processes within the body. And very gently release. Now again, using the Nasika Mudra, seal of the right nostril. Take a deep breath in through the left nostril. Close off the left nostril, open the right nostril, and breathe out through the right nostril. Again, breathe in through the right nostril. Close off the right nostril, open the left nostril, and breathe out through the left nostril. This is one round of Nadi Shuddhi for balanced left and right nostril breathing. Again, breathe in through the left nostril, close off the left nostril, open the right nostril, breathe out through the right nostril. Breathe in through the right nostril, close off the right nostril, open the left nostril, and exhale very gently through the left nostril. Nadi Shuddhi is very good for the balancing of the left and the right hemispheres of the brain. Back to Chin Mudra, take a deep breath in through both the nostrils and exhale.